Hi and welcome to this edition of Out the Box. My name is Paul Sillers of Firewalls for Now and Firewall News. Today we're going to have a look at this, which is the new Ubiquiti AC In-Wall Pro. It's only been available here for a couple of months maximum here in Australia. The Pro is different to the previous model, which is the Unify AC In-Wall. This has double the throughput, so it has faster 5 GHz and faster 2.4 GHz throughput. Like I said, with all of these, it's not meant to be a technical overview, it's meant to show you what you actually get in the box, and this is very specific because these are sort of retrofit to what you might already have in your property. Just a little bit of background. These are designed initially for motels, hotels, schools, locations where you maybe already have a current data point inside the room and you just want to retrofit it. These are not meant to have a massive wireless throw, so they do fit a specific requirement, and it's important to note these don't come with power over Ethernet adapters. They're designed to be powered from a switch, a PoE switch. They support standard PoE, so 48 volt, but you do need to make sure you've either bought PoE adapters if you're putting these in your home, or you've got a switch that will do it, like the Ubiquiti US 8-port 60 watt or 150 watt, something like that, are some options for you. So let me show you what you get in the box. Let's just open that up. Need a little bit of instructions and the actual unit itself. We'll just remove the unit from the box, just take all the parts out and just show you the other bits that you're going to get. You obviously get your quick start guide and some fixing screws. Now, as I said, this is meant to be a replacement for a data point you already have on the wall. So let me just show you what the unit looks like already. So here's the front, here's the back. So you'll see it's ready for an RJ45 connector. It's not for a Chrome connection like you might already have in your current data point. Then on the bottom here, you'll see you have 2 further Ethernet ports. So this actually acts as a wireless access point and a 2-port switch. 1 cable in, 2 ports out. One of these ports already going to carry PoE, so this could go onto a PoE phone if you're a motel or something like that, or another PoE device. And the other one is just a straight Ethernet. Obviously you can use both of them as straight Ethernet if you wanted to. So coverage of these is going to really be dependent on your walls and on your makeup, but if you're doing this in a house, probably it's going to cover a couple of bedrooms or a couple of rooms. Again, if you were doing this in a motel or a hotel, something like that, for hospitality, you might want one of these in each room so you can control it individually. So let's have a look. You're going to get a backing plate first. So the idea for this is that you are going to obviously remove your current data fitment from the wall, your data point from the wall, and you're going to fit this over. This will obviously cover over your recess you already have in the wall. Plenty of different fixing options that you should be able to find a screw hole that fits to mount that to the wall. This is not going to be flush, this is going to stick out a little bit further than your current data point. You already then have 2 screw points here, which will allow you to connect on the next part of the Ubiquiti device. So obviously what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to take the cable that is already connected to your data point and remove it from the connector that's there, and make up an RJ45 end, which you're going to then connect obviously through the hole first. This is on your wall here, through the hole, and then clip into the back. This unit's going to sit in here, and then you're going to screw that whole piece to the wall. And then finally, you are going to just put on, put this the right way around, you're just going to put your housing on to it. And there you have it. It's going to stick out from the wall somewhat, but it should retrofit over to what you've got already. So like I said, do remember, if you're doing these and not got a PoE switch, you need to buy a PoE adapter, same as you'd buy for the AC Pro, which are the ceiling mount ones. The 48 volt ones will do you just fine. So that is the new Ubiquiti In-Wall AC Pro. So hopefully that's been useful for you. My name is Paul Sillers of Firewalls for Now and Firewall News.